Hello students, today you are going to learn histogram. Before we write the coding of histogram, how to construct a histogram using pyplot, first things we must know what is histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of distribution of numerical data. Graphical representation of distribution of numerical data. For example, this is the data for which I have to create a histogram. Now student, we remember how we are creating histogram manually. First things what I will do, in this data I will just create a class interval. Let's suppose that I will categorize the data. I will first find how much data are falling between 0 to 10, then second class interval 10 to 20, then 30 to 40, and so on. What I will do, first I will find out how many numbers are falling under 0 to 10. Then second task, then I will search those numbers which are falling between 10 to 20 and so on. And on the basis of this frequency, I will construct a chart. So my dear student, histogram chart are graphical display of frequencies represented as bars. They show what portion of details falls into each category. Okay. And when you are constructing a histogram, the first step is to create bin. Bin means just like a class interval. The bin is the range of value, or in a very simple word you say class interval. Now the next question is, what is the difference between a bar chart and a histogram? A bar chart represents a categorical data, means the data that has some label associated with it. Some label associated with it. We are using rectangular bar, and the length of bar is proportional to the values they represent. Whereas a histogram, on the other hand, are used to describe the distribution. Given set of data, what are their distribution? There and one more things what you will see, in bar graph there is a gap, whereas in histogram there is no gap. And now let me know the syntax of histogram. We use hist function. This is the hist function, HIST, to construct a histogram. In pyplot we use hist, HIST, and hist, and the various attribute, that is the x-axis data. It may be any sequence or array. Then bins you may be defined class interval. Otherwise, if you are not defining the bins, it will be automatically created by pyplot. Then orientation means views, whether you want your histogram display in vertical manner or horizontal manner. Then you have to write here orientation, vertical or horizontal. Then hist type, what kind of the type of histogram, whether it is a bar, step filled, or bar stacked. I will define these all things step by step. Then cumulative, true or false. Cumulative, here it is taking the boolean value, either true or false. Cumulative means you just remember you are creating a cumulative graph, and if you put the cumulative is equal to true, then it just create a cumulative graph. Okay, let's know how to write the code of histogram. For this, we have a data, this 3, 5, 12, 14, this is the data. For this data we will construct a histogram. Okay, let me start. Nothing to worry, it is quite easy. As usual, we will start our first line, import matplotlib.pyplot.splt. Then second step is the x is the variable which contain list type of data. Then the second step is plt.hist this, and now first I need x. This is the data for which we have to construct a histogram. Then the next is hist type. I need bar. Then edge color. Edge color means whatever the bar will represent, and there a border color. Edge color. Then face color. What is the color of bar? This is I use M. No, I want to use yellow. Why? Okay. Then plt dot show. This is, let us execute our code. This code is created, but there is some missing. Edge color is not visible. Let me check the spelling. Edge color, it is okay. Then hist type. Okay. One missing. Hist type is equal to bar. This is, you just see x. This is the data, and you just see class interval. It is automatically created by pyplot function. 0, here the data is divided 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, then 10 to 15, 20 to 25. This class intervals is taken by the pyplot itself. Okay, then edge color, you just see the border color of the bar, it is looking red. Then face color, it is yellow, you just see this the yellow color. And if you change, let's suppose that if I want to change it green, so you just write it green. You all are familiar with the abbreviation. I think I need not to define what is the meaning of G. And let's suppose that you want to create your own class interval. Here what is happens, class interval is created by pyplot itself, like 5 to 10, then 15, then 25. Now you want to create your own class interval. If you want to create your own class interval, then you say bins is equal to, here you define, you say, here you can define here 10, then 20, then 30. I think this is sufficient because none of the value is more than 30. Okay, let me check how it is working. Here what I am doing, students, in this graph, the bins means class interval is taken by the pyplot itself. It is by default. But now what I am doing, I am not happy with this by default value. I just want to create my own class interval. Means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Let me see how it is working. This is the thing. 0 to 10, 10 to 30, this is. Okay. Then if you are not happy with this, so you maybe change it by something more. 5 to 10, these all things. Okay, you maybe put any kind of interval, whatever you like. And one more thing, I just want to clear it before sum up the lecture. One more thing, orientation. By default the orientation is vertical. Now I just want it being horizontal. Horizontal, and F5, this is okay. Now my dear student, in this video lecture what you have learned how to create a histogram and what are the various attributes with hist function. Here bins, if you do not define, it will automatically taken by the by matplotlib. Hist type, bar, here I have taken bar. There is lots of other types are also there, and I will define in my next lecture. Then edge color, this is the border color, but you know it, and the face color is the what is the color of your histogram. Then orientation, by default it is vertical, you maybe change it by horizontal. Thank you.